Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare LM Studio and Ollama to help you decide which local AI tool fits your needs. So both options let you run large language models directly on your computer, giving you more privacy control and the ability to work without depending entirely on cloud services. However, they offer very different experiences. Ollama is designed for users who are comfortable working with commands, scripts, and APIs. It runs quietly in the background and makes it simple to connect local AI models with other apps or development projects. Its main advantage are its lightweight setup, clean workflow, and strong automation option. The downside is that beginners may find the command line interface less approachable. LM Studio focuses more on ease of use. It provides a visual desktop interface where you can browse models, download them, adjust settings, and start chatting without writing code. So, this makes it useful for beginners, students, or anyone who wants to test different models quickly. However, it may feel less flexible for advanced automation and coding workflows. Overall, Ollama is better suited for developers and technical users, while LM Studio is easier for visual testing and everyday experimentation. Both are helpful, so the better choice depends on whether you prefer a command line or a simple desktop interface. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.